Have you ever seen a ghost?
Great question. Um, well, this one time, my friends and I decided to go to Tosh. So there were three of us and didn't really plan anything. And no stay, no bookings, because if someone's been in that area, you kind of know that you can just go about and find tents, find a lot of stays. It's kind of on the go anyway. So we decided to go to Tosh, not knowing much about the space regardless. So we start climbing up, hoping to find something. Keep going. And life keeps getting lesser as we go up. There's not many people, and we reach this point where we've gone too high up to come down, and we're just hoping if we keep going higher we find somebody and with some tents where
This
we
is not
can
wisdom that you can apply in life. I must say. Keep going higher
just
until
go.
you come down.
I think there is some lesson there.
And yet researchers can't find it.
Reach for the stars.
That's not
No,
okay.
but yeah, we kind of just keep going up, don't find anything. There are no cafes anymore, there are no people anymore, and just kind of hoping for the best at this point. Eventually come across this one guy, and he's like, right off the bat we should have known it wasn't the best case scenario, but he's by himself in a small tent that he's made for himself, and we ask him if we can stay. Does he have a stay? Does he have extra tents? Anything that we can kind of spend the night in? And he points towards this weird tin square that he has created with a bunch of beds, basically just mattresses thrown around. And at this point, not like we had too much of an option. The toilet's outside in the open with a curtain. It's just an overall weird scenario. So yeah, as the night proceeds, we are listening to music and just chilling in that space. There's no life around. This guy itself has gone, like a kilometer away to sleep, and there's no way to reach him as well at this point. He's just like, good night, sleep well, have a good time. And he's created this tiny fireplace for us, which did nothing. So we are also freezing. So I don't know, maybe our minds weren't working at this point. Finally, around 3 or so, we start passing out, right? We're just talking and start passing out. And I am almost asleep at this point. And remember the fact that it's made of those tin, what do you call them? Like it's those, those really
Aluminum
light
sheets?
aluminum sheets. Like literally, hawa aega, it'll shake.
I'm not the best person to ask. Material engineering. वो क्या कहते हैं? Cake?
I don't know. It's one of those silver ones. It's like barely there.
The ridge wale?
Yeah.
I think aluminum sheets wale, right? Corrugated metal sheets. Check it out.
Okay.
Anyway.
I wouldn't know. Can't confirm or deny. But silver thing.
Sulfur phosphate.
So as I'm sleeping, and it's a box, it's a very visual thing, but there's like one tiny door which locks, surprisingly, and everything is shut at this point. I swear to God, we had locked it as well. And we hear this knock from the right side going right, and then from behind me, like it's 3 knocks, and then the door just hits bang open in front of us.
It was locked?
Yeah. I don't know. Like,
what kind of a lock
I'm
was it? Fingerprint lock, no? What lock was it? The chain?
It's no normal.
Or the door lock?
Normal key lock.
And it opened?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it did. But it was super strange because it started going from like in a sequential order. So it was and then bang open, right? Just wind coming in at this point. Of course, it goes without saying, it's a very, very cold night. And this breeze just hits us. So suddenly we are very, very awake.
That's fascinating.
My God. That's so stupid. But yeah, at this point, nobody wants to go shut the door because obvious reasons. And all of us are just sitting in a corner, just staring at the door. Nahi tu ja, main nahi ja rahi, tu ja, right? Like just nobody wants to go. Finally, one of us go and close the door, and we're like, we don't want to look around. And eventually, we go out and just peek our heads, and nothing is around. Like nothing, just absolutely nothing. It is windy, so I will give it that. But the door was locked as well.
But the wind can't knock a door.
I don't know, man. The house was made of tin, so I don't know. But yeah, I mean, one theory would be that there was an animal of some sort, but then
I can't imagine an owl going tuck 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 tuck. Hello, koi hai, bhai sahab? What is an animal was there?
I'm awake at night,
Yeah.
friends.
That's not possible. I don't
No.
know what do you mean animal.
I don't. It
Which
was,
animal knocks 3 times?
It was all around
It's
in like a
just
sequential
Mating
order,
call.
right? Yeah, and it was not like, to clarify, it wasn't like a small, tuck. No, it was like a bang,
tuck,
bang,
tuck.
bang, right? And at this point, we were already freaked out anyway. But it happened so quick, and of course, like we locked the door. We are not stepping out at this point. And then, I completely forgot about this, but the room lights start flickering, and it just keeps going on and off at random.
Plot twist, there was no light to begin with. it gets even more supernatural.
Light came on
Yeah.
then. It was off till then. It just came on after that. But light starts going on and off at random. Of course, didn't sleep through the night because we are sure at this point I mean, if you have learned anything from all these horror movies, is that the ghosts can control electricity, which is why we have no lights on right now, just in case.
What do you mean by ghosts can control electricity? Why do you think a ghost is like, मैं जाके light on off करूँगा, पंखा switch on off करूँगा? Do you think there are more important things to do?
What do you think a ghost would want to do?
But not switch on and switch off the light.
I mean, that's their way of communicating, man. I mean, they can't come and talk to you.
I
don't-
love all of you. in case
I
you
don't
listen.
know if there's any science in it, but I don't want to logically describe this to you. But apparently, they can control electricity because of something. But if I was smart enough to know that, then I wouldn't be on this spot. Okay. I'm sure everybody has felt some presence at some point, right? Like when you're alone in a room and it's dark, you just feel like someone's staring at you, or is that
What?
just me?
But wouldn't it be amazing when everyone watches this video and you're just talking to an empty seat?
Oh, fine, please
and
don't.
you're like, oh, don't you feel like something's staring at you?
Oh my god,
and
if you
and there's no one in the seat. Someone just staring at you.
can you imagine if you cut this video and once I watch it, nobody's in front of me? That'll be great.
I can't imagine.
Fuck, don't do it. I'll actually freak out.